And then that's a wrap. You've just graduated from Form Rookie to Fluent Form's Pro Ninja. Give yourself a fist bump. Over 7 lessons, we've hacked through form jungles, tamed payment gateways, and even made data analytics look cool. Yes, really. Lesson 1. You were clicking install. Now, you're automating workflows like a boss and guarding data like it's the last slice of pizza. You've got notifications on lockdown, e-commerce forms smoother than a latte art heart, and enough security chops to make hackers cry into their keyboards. Oh, and let's not forget, you're now the MVP of time saving. There's the secret. Fluent Form's Pro isn't just a tool. It's your shortcut to making clients say, "How'd you do that?" While you casually reply, "Magic, and in 7 killer videos, go forth." Build smarter, impress harder, and remember, the only thing standing between you and a perfect form is hitting publish. Thanks for hanging out. Drop a comment with your form wins and smash subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, keep making the internet less boring, one form at a time.